Hey brothers and sisters, Kim Samples out here. Somebody had asked me a question about my gate. I was showing them when I was constructing it. So I wanted to show you the finished gate and how it rolls. And I put some heavy rollers over here. So, and this is at a little slope. If you can look at the concrete down here, you can see it's slope. It's probably, I don't know, let me get my, I'll get my level here in a minute and we'll measure it and see. But anyway, so you got the gate, you let it loose, and it automatically closes. I've got a rubber bumper down here because it hits pretty hard if you really hit it, so that it doesn't run into the patio concrete. So it's, I've got 2 wheels on it. Works very well. And you might ask, I'll show you this little trick right here. We have 2 Cocker Spaniels, and they can jump up here, and they can jump up and get right here and reach up here and jump over. So I added these little pieces to block them from jumping over, and that's temporary till they figure out they can't be jumping over. But anyway, so the gate, let me get my level and I'll put it on here and we'll take a look. Wait just a second. Okay, let's take a look, see what kind of angle this is at. We'll set this right here. We'll take a look. Probably about 3 degrees, not very much. Let's look at it right down here on the, yeah, 3 degrees, hardly any. Just a very gentle slope. And of course now this side is a little bit higher. Look here, I put these panels in, and I put them in with that little bar here that I put them in, and then I painted them, and I put silicone on the back side. And this one I've got to take this off so I can get the silicone in there. But I siliconed these, so they're siliconed in on the back side, and then come over here and look on the back side. The back side, because it's the dogs are always in here jumping up and down, I just painted this side black. So anyway, and then this is a little bit taller than the other end, which makes it a little bit heavier on this end of the gate. And the good thing about this gate, what I really like about it, is, you know, you can come out here with stuff in your hand and you can move it with your foot. Come in, carry your stuff in, and it shuts behind you so the dogs don't get out. But sometimes they slide through there if you're not paying attention. So they like to get out here and run around on the patio. So anyway, I hope that helps clarify a little bit about this rolling gate. It's been a real plus. So if you've got somewhere where you can put a gate like this, I recommend it to you. So that's it. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus. Stay tuned for the next video.